Welcome to Placements Prep. Today I am going to share the pattern of Tech Mahindra Off Campus Drive 2021. So, the agenda for today's video is Tech Mahindra pattern and time duration and how to apply in case you don't know. And before going to start this, let me tell you the assessment date, that is the registrations of Tech Mahindra Off Campus Drive has given the deadline as 15th November 2020, and they are going to start the assessment test dates in between 16th November 2020 to 30th November 2020. And after completion of this test, writing the exam, then they are going to shortlist the candidates and announce the results in between 1st December 2020 to 15th December 2020. And after getting results are announced, then they will be giving the training for the candidate for 1 month, and they will be giving the onboarding date as 1st January 2021. If the candidate's performance will be carefully monitored to identify high potential candidate, and confirmation of the offer will be communicated at the end of 6 months of internship, as you can see on the display. So this is the process after completion of writing the exam. And now we'll see what is the pattern of this exam. As we all aware of TCS NQT 2021 exam pattern, in the same way Tech Mahindra pattern also. That is, first section will be quantitative aptitude, and the important topics covered in this section is arithmetic, that is number system, remainder theorem and factors. And next topic will be probability, profit and loss, percentage, ratio and proportion, mixture and alligation, time, speed and distance, boats and streams, time and work, pipes and system, average, data interpretation. Here in data interpretation means like bar charts or pie charts. And next is simple and compound interest. These are the most important topics covered in quantitative aptitude of Tech Mahindra pattern. And the next section is reasoning. The important topics covered in this section are blood relation, alphabet. Blood relation topic will be in two categories, that is, they will be providing picture and they are asking the relation, or else they are giving the sentences. And next topic is alphabet. They will be giving the alphabet series and we have to find the next upcoming series. And third topic is direction. Next is data sufficiency and pictorial reasoning, coding, decoding and seating arrangement. These are the important topics covered in reasoning part. And coming to next section is verbal. And the important topics in this verbal are reading comprehension. As the time duration is very less, they will be providing only one reading comprehension, and there will be 4 to 5 questions under these. And next is cloze test. You will be given a paragraph with 4 to 5 blanks missing. So you have to fill that blanks. And next, spotting errors. You have to spot the errors. And next is para jumbles. They will be given 4 sentences and you have to find the sentences in order. And next is sentence correction, same like spotting errors, and error detection is also same like spotting errors. So these are the 3 sections covered in the Tech Mahindra pattern. And so now coming to pattern and duration. This is a 90 minutes test, that is 1 hour 30 minutes, and 90 minutes is divided into 3 sections, that is 30 minutes for quant and 30 minutes for verbal and 30 minutes for reasoning. Until now there is no clarity on essay. Most of them are saying that there will be essay writing, but there is no clarity on essay, and there will be negative marking in this examination. And at last they will be hiring around 2.5 or approximately 2000 freshers for this off-campus drive. And this is little bit strong competition as the test duration is very less. compared to Infosys and TCS. And next is how to apply. If in case you don't know how to apply, please refer the video link which I have given in the description. So this is the exam pattern of Tech Mahindra Off Campus Drive 2021, and for more updates please stay tuned to my channel and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Until we meet again, it's bye from me. Thank you.